Jose Rivero versus Abdeslam Wadu bafethu after 50 games for Orlando Pirates. Noma la ezansi bafethu lo muntu owenze lento wenze imistake bafethu laphana bekufanele ukuthi at least lapha afaka amakhapha awu2 for uRivero ngoba uRivero ku50 games bafethu amakhapha ayesewawinile wayiwina iMTN 80 wawina iNetbank le amakhapha awu5 bese ku over u3 year span lokho bafethu then ngapha kuWadu bafethu nawa awu4 first season bafethu uWadu la wakhe uWadu awayo straight le season lo 50 goals lo 50 games lo uyabalwa la noma sibuye sikhipheke bafethu iCarling All Star cause I count as an official cup but nje awu3 shuthi njengamanje uWadu kuza cover uRivero kwiPirates usedinga amakhapha awu2 as much as uWadu bafethu enalena enkulu kakhulu bafethu iPremier League le angenayo bafethu uJose Rivero. Niyabona bafethu ukuthi lento yokugceka uWadu is not justified. uRivero wayengagcekwa bafethu la 50 games 29 wins 9 draws 12 losses. uWadu bafethu 50 games 37 wins 8 draws 5 losses. Now lo 5 losses is not actually 5 losses makuthiwa bafethu sikhuluma iqiniso ingoba phela saphuma kwicup lapha na kuNetbank because le genge ayishayanga ku90 minutes le genge so leya game it count as a draw kahle kahle but ke ngoba it was a cup saphuma so sesikuthatha njenge loss but ama loss ngampela khona after 50 games for uWadu kusho ukuthi bafethu uWadu uluze only 4 games so bafethu how can we compare bafethu I loved bafethu Rivero bafethu even namanje ngisamthanda uRivero bafethu because he was representing iPirates in a good way but bafethu angeke no disrespect to Jose Rivero bafethu but those who are saying that is better than Wadu bafethu hayi ngeke anike nisitshela ukuthi which category noma mhlawumbe enhlizweni zenu mhlawumbe ubetter not ukuthi ubetter ngama stats ngoba ngeke bafethu awavumi bafethu ngiyazi kuzoba sengazuthi silwa noRivero asilwe noRivero bafethu uRivero was our coach we will always love uRivero even namanye ama players manje lawo esikhalela ukuthi ayahamba ayengadumanga ngalezi ayikhathi naye wawanika ichance ukuthi adume njoba no wadenza nje with i-team yakhe lenentsha siyazi ukuthi abadumile impela abadlali uWadu adlala ngabo njengamanje but ngeke kuphela unyaka noma next year bengadumile nabo sobe sesibacula njengoba sasicula laba bafethu asike siyeke le comparison bafethu it's not even fair yeah it's not fair for uWadu bafethu because uWadu is a serial winner yabo serial winner bafethu lo muntu kusho ukuthi le season anginqeni mhlawumbe ukuthi ngathi phela kukhulunywa ukuthi iMonday ufika ku10 losses so ke nje ngeke bafethu ngiyacela bafethu asike siye kuWadu enza into yakhe ngampela bafethu yabona uma ukuthi sizongafuna ukunika ucoach wethu credit bazofika abanye abantu bafethu bamthathe lo coach and uzothi uma isethathiwe seqale sewinisa amanye ama team abuye amabhakaniya bafethu akhale kuthi awu kodwa bafethu we lost asike bafethu sifundeni bafethu ukuthi into siyibuke ngeso nje eliclear bafethu not ukuthi ubuke ngokuthi wena ubuwazi ubani bafethu bese ehlala isikhathi singanani vele uRivero bafethu useyinhliziyweni zethu ngoba uRivero uhlale 3 years kwiOrlando Pirates but asazi bafethu ukuthi uWadu what can he do ku3 years bafethu lo muntu already deliver treble first season uRivero akayazi treble yabo mhlawumbe lo muntu mfethu usungayomcomparison nobani mfethu no road crawl naye road crawl kodwa futhi first season yakhe bafethu akayenzanga lento yenziwe uWadu njengamanje uWadu bafethu sky is the limit we can be anything ngoWadu akayekelwe and usedlala ngabadlali bakhe manje abanye abaningi because last year ubeba introducer futhi abanye abadlali bakhe kwathiwa hayi sazobani thina wazobani ubani wena usezozwazobani wawucoachapi ngoba wena uyifan kanye nami ku right thina mas analyze kanje not ukuthi kuthiwe ngampela bafowethu sesikhuluma ama matters of football engazuthi so coach ngoba ngeke mhlawumbe size silast bafethu even one day ekucoacheni Orlando Pirates khona sibe sithi siyalazi so ke nje bafethu le comparison ayengeke bafethu I don't like it and njengoba lokho yenziwa kuba sengazuthi bafethu khona abantu asebekhetha uhlangothi mina lo ba coach bafethu ngibathanda bobabili mina labo coach bangijabulisile mfethu mina yabo nje bangijabulise bobabili uRivero bafethu was happy nakhona sinokuwina 2 bafethu ngoba sawina 2 cups isizini yakhe oqala sawina 2 cups isizini yakhe esi2 kwesithathu ke bafethu ilana izinto eziningi ezakho lapha khona sawina 1 but nangu uWadu bafethu ayi mina give me my voodoo man give me my Wadu